Today I don't make the what you call this one, red melon, because it's too much for me, the orange. Anyway, I have here Coca-Cola if I want Coca-Cola. I have here Fanta if I want Fanta. It's enough like that. But I like squeezed orange juice. Okay, I will introduce to you people what I have here in the table. Now I like eating now. I have here my sauce. This is lemon with Maggi. This one's lemon. Very big the bowl. The bowl here. This I have here another ketchup. This is ketchup. And this is Maggi. Product of Thailand. Oh, Thailand, Malaysia. Ah, product of Indonesia. This is my fish. Cranky fish. We call this one in France is Poujo rouge. It's not the kind of fish it's like the tilapia. It's not tilapia. This is not tilapia, people. We call this one in France. It's like doral fish. And I have here my rice. And I have here my green pepper, eggplant. And I have here the, what you call this one? Onion. It's onion. Onion. That's it. Onion, garlic. I don't put tomato. I don't like. Because it will become damaged if I add. Yes, I have donut chocolate. I have here my another donut vanilla. This is donut strawberry. I have here donut strawberry. Donut strawberry. And I have here also people muffin. Muffin. Let's eat people. So sawan. This is Maggi and Maggi and citron. Bisaya ba people kahil? Kung ako kung Bisaya ang people, di man gud makaintindi. Ba? So this is Maggi and citron. Okay, let's eat. I have here. Because after I will make my guitar. I will learn guitar. This is the fish that I am cooking. Bukog. Bisaya people, bukog. Kung sa mga actor, ang bukog, kung sa actor, James Bones. Kung sa English, na dili actor, Bones lang ni siya. Gibutangan ako pangan James Bone. Tawag James Bones. Delikado ni bukog people. Ay, matunok imong tilaokan. Ngaw. Very fresh, crunchy, brownie, what else? This is look people, I like this one. Chick, crunchy brownie. It's not oily because I don't like too much oil. I only cook this one with butter. That's it. This one. Yeah. Very big. With sauce. It's up. Ah, this one is okay. It's matching for the fish. This one is matching for French fries. It's okay. Onion. Overcook the eggplant. Mm. I only small. Daming James spoon. I am finished na people. But I have to fish. It's not barbecue fish, it's fried only. I deep fried. It's empty in the back also. Orange juice, people, is the best. You don't drink too much because it's not good also if you drink too much. If you say this one, you can drink this one, the orange juice. It's like drink moderately, something like that. Like this one, I eat moderately. Like this one also, eat moderately also. Very soft. This is good snack and breakfast. I have no long bread. I finished my long bread.